Hey guys, today I'm going to be giving you a little promo for my next video that I'm going to have involving a tutorial for one of the world's most renowned and popular puzzles ever, the Rubik's Cube. Now, this is my Rubik's Cube. I just got it. It is a new island. That's the name of it. Like over here. It's a new island 3x3x3 speed cube. And it's stickerless, so there are no stickers on it, so you can't cheat. And it's just really cool because I can do stuff like this. It really cuts down my speed. But, okay, so right now I'm just going to show you me solving the Rubik's Cube to give you an idea of how fast I can do it. And if you like this, like it, and the tutorial on how to solve it will be coming up even quicker. But here's the promo. Let's do this. So first I'm going to scramble. One of the cool things it lets me do to scramble is this. Which gets scrambling done a lot easier. Okay. So I'm done scrambling. How does this look? Pretty scrambled? See guys, I can't remember any of this. I'm not like that genius. I'm smart, but I'm not that smart. I'm not a photographic memory. Okay, so that looks pretty scrambled. Start. Ready? Oh man. I'm gonna have to replace a piece. This is gonna take longer. This is not my best solve then. Because I have to solve the way it just happened. Okay. Whoa. Now that was a huge skip. But that is me solving the Rubik's Cube. Like and subscribe to me if you want to see the tutorial on how to solve this. That will be coming up shortly. Thank you, and peace.